good morning to all my lovely children. I hope you are all fine and happy. To continue with our festive mood, we will be celebrating Children's Day, which is indeed a festival for all the kids. So children, today we are going to do drawing and coloring activity for Children's Day. We have a picture of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru given here, and we will be making a rose flower here. For making a rose flower, all we have to do is start from the top. We have to make an oval shape like this. Make another oval shape inside this and one more, and then we will be making one curve here like this and other curve here. Okay. Now from this curve I'll go down making a letter U. A U. Join it here. Join it here. Take this line a little ahead and this here. Make a line parallel to this line and a line parallel to here. Now make, just like we make a, make two lines like this. We'll be making leaf from here like this, then like this, standing line for the stem, and we will be making a leaf here with a line inside this. Now children, we will be coloring the picture of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru and the picture of a rose flower that we have drawn. Starting off a skin color, and we will be coloring on the face of Jawaharlal Nehru. Then we will take red color and color the lips and this rose flower like this. Now we will take brown color and color the hair only like this. We will color the buttons also with brown color like this. Now we will not do any color in the cap as we want to leave the cap with white only. Now we will take blue color, light blue color, and we will color in the jacket of Jawaharlal Nehru. So our Jawaharlal Nehru picture is complete. Now we will color the rose flower. Starting off, we'll take green color. We will color in this and the stem. We'll color the leaf also with green color. And now green color here also. Now as we know that rose flower is of red color, so we will take red color and we will be coloring in the rose flower. So children, our craft is complete and ready. We have colored the picture of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru and we have drawn a rose flower, a beautiful rose flower, and we have colored it. Happy Children's Day to all. Have a good day. Thank you. Bye-bye.